it's your girl Elise Renee, and thank you for tuning into Elise Renee TV. So I'm just gonna hop right into it. This wig is from my Shiny Wigs. It is a 12-inch 613 wig, and it includes 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable straps and an elastic band. I'm gonna be coloring this wig a ginger color. So the colors that I'm gonna be using are Cajun Spice and Cinnamon, and then I just parted it in the front because I wanted the front to be a bit lighter than the back. So as you can see, I'm gonna be doing the watercolor method. I am using like warm water. The water isn't too hot, and I'm just using these 2 colors. I'm gonna start off by putting the cinnamon in there because I don't want it too orange, but you know, I want it to be like, you know, ginger and fit my skin tone. So I'm adding the cinnamon in first, and then I am just using my comb to swirl it around because I didn't have anything else near me at the time. And then I'm gonna go in with this Cajun Spice. I'm gonna add a little bit of that, and then you're gonna see me soon like test it with a napkin just to see what the color is gonna be. Alright, so here I am just testing out the water, well, the dye, and it is almost the color that I wanted. I am going to add a little bit more of the Cajun Spice just to get a little bit more of that oranginess so I can get a nice ginger color. And then I'm just going to start dipping the wig and then just getting it saturated up in that watercolor dye. From this part, it's pretty like self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys just watch and see what I'm doing. Again, I'm not letting that front part get in the color yet because I do want the front to be a little bit lighter than the back, just to give it like a little pizzazz, little razzle dazzle. So just keep on watching. If you hasn't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, because I will be posting more often, and I want you guys to stay tuned and get that alert for when I do post.
You win. Choose your fighter.
Alright, so here's the outcome. I'm gonna go ahead and just let it dry. The wig was actually a bit lighter than this, but like this is like, it's wet still, so it's not even like its true color yet. But this is how it came out so far, and I only used those 2 colors, and I feel like I got a really nice ginger color, and it didn't take too much to get it. Alright, so now I'm about to install the wig, and do not laugh at my bald cap. I was literally struggling to put this together. I have nails on, as you can see, and I cannot braid my hair, so I 2-strand twisted my hair and I put the bald cap over it, and it was not bald, it was not capping with me. Like, I don't know what it was, I don't know what I did, but we gonna make it do what it do. So here's the wig, and it's dry, and I went ahead and just like hot combed it back and whatnot, so then the hairs can be out the way. For this install, I'm only using the Ebin Wonder Glue gel, and then I'm also using Got To Be free spray and elastic band. That is what I'm using to install this wig. So I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys finish watching me installing it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what color you guys think I should do next.
fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win. Choose your fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win. Choose your fighter. Flaky inspired. Fight. Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win. Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win. Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight. Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Guys, this is the end of the video. I actually forgot to record me with my makeup done last night, because last night I went to a comedy show to see the No Cap tour. Really good show, hilarious. My favorite though was Carlos. He was hilarious. But anyway, this is the final look of the wig. So it's the next day of me having this installed, and this is what it's looking like. And when I went to bed last night, I just tied my elastic band. I forgot my bonnet. I did stay like in the city that I was in, so like I stayed overnight in a hotel. So I forgot my bonnet, but I remembered to bring my elastic band, so I was able to, tie it on my head and then go to bed. And then when I got in the shower, I brought my shower cap. I brought everything but a bonnet. And I just put my bonnet, I put my shower cap on, got in the shower. So this is how everything turned out. I tried to straighten it, but I was in a rush to get the hotel. But it's the final look, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys have a nice day. And I have other videos that you guys can look at too. So don't be afraid and go check those out.